Good afternoon and welcome again to QED Mathematics Online class. This is our JSS3 Nigeria lesson, which is based on whole numbers. What we are looking at is expression involving bracket and fractions, direct and inverse proportion, application of direct and inverse proportion, compound interest. The objective of this lesson is that at the end of this, students should be able to express simplify expressions involving bracket and functions. Bracket and fractions, I mean. They should be able to simplify expressions involving bracket and fractions, solve simple word problems involving fractions, solve problems involving direct and inverse proportion, and apply compound interest in daily life activities. So our study materials are counters and multiplicative tables. The content. The first part we want to discuss is simplification of expressions involving brackets and fractions. Here we have about 3 examples of brackets. The first is 6 plus 3 into brackets 2 plus 7. This simply means that we are adding 7 to 2. We are adding 7 to 2, which is in the bracket using what we know as BODMAS. We'll solve what is in the bracket first. Then we multiply this sum by 3. We have 3 into bracket 2 plus 7. So after we must have added 2 plus 7, then we'll multiply it by 3. And we'll now add the result with 6. And then we'll solve that in the next line. We have 33. That is 3 times 7, and 3 times 9 I mean is 27, plus 6 is 33. What we have it in the other way around. We have 6 plus 3, that is inside the bracket. Then we have 2 plus 7 outside. The bracket is actually multiplying 2, so that means we have to add what is in the bracket, 6 plus 3. Then after that, we'll multiply that by 2, then we'll add the result we add it to 7, and that will give us 25. The same digits, but the bracket is differentiating the 2. Now look at the third one. We have 6 plus 3 in bracket, 2 plus 7 in bracket. That simply means the first bracket will multiply the second bracket. And we have what is in the first bracket together, 6 plus 3. We have what is in the second bracket together, 7 plus 2. And by the time we will now multiply the sum of the two brackets together, that will give us 81. And the last one, we have a plus in between the two brackets. That simply means after we have added the two brackets together, then we add the sum together, and we have about 18. These are quite easy, but if care is not taken, you might get the wrong answer. Look at this example here. We have a housewife buys n plastic cups at 20 naira each and n glass cups at 18 naira each. How much did she spend buying the cups? We were given variables unknown to represent the amount of cups she bought. We know that she bought n plastic at 20 naira each, and she bought n glass at 18 naira each. So the solution, n plastic at 20 naira each means n times 20. That gives us 20n in naira. Assuming she bought 2 at 20 naira each, we will have just said 2 times 20, that will give us 40. But since we are not given the exact number, we are only given the variable and unknown variable multiplied by it. Simply happens to the glass cup. N glass cup at 20 naira, that means n times 80. Then we have to find the amount you spend in buying everything. That simply means we want to add 20n plus 80n to get our answer. So that will simply be 20 naira into bracket n plus 40n. Since 20 is common, don't even understand that 20 is common, so we begin at the common term and we have n plus 40n. If we should use that to open the bracket, we will come back to have 20n plus 80n. By the time 20 multiply n, we have 20n, and 20 multiplying sorry, this should be 4, not 40. This should be 4, not 40. I'm sorry for that. And the next example, we have find 1/5 of the positive difference between 60 and the sum of 20 and 15. 1/5 of the positive difference between 60 and the sum of 20 and 15. The sum of 20 and 15, that simply means 20 plus 15. And positive difference between 60 and the sum. That means 60 minus the sum, where it is in bracket, 20 plus 15. Since we have to find the 1/5, that is divided by 5. To just interpret what we have there. And after interpretation, we can easily solve, and we have 5. The third one, if I think of the number multiplied by 4 and subtract 4 from it, the result is 36. What is the number? So we interpret it 9 by 9. Where first thing is to think of the number. Let n be the number I thought of, and then we have to multiply it by 4. That is n by 4. That's 4n. Then we subtract 4 from the product. That is 4n, which we have, minus 4. Then the result is 36. That we arrive at 4n minus 4, which is 36. We interpreted it 9 by 9. And when we add 4 to both sides, then we have 4n minus 4 plus 4 equals 36 plus 4. Then we have 4n equals to 40. We divide by the coefficient of n, which is 4n over 4 equals to 40 over 4, and that will give us n to be 10. Or we use this other method, use just collecting like terms to bring out the constant on one side and the one that has the unknown variable on the other side. So that means the 4, which is minus 4, will go to the other side, and that will give us 4n equals 36 plus 4. That's not saying 4n equals to 40, and by the time we divide both sides by 4, we'll have n equals to 10. That is quite simple. Look at these direct proportions. Two quantities are in direct proportion or very directly. If one quantity increases as the other increases in the same ratio, or when one decreases, the other also decreases in the same ratio, then we say it is direct proportion. Look at an example. A car uses 80 liters of fuel for a distance of 120 kilometers. How many liters of fuel will it use for a distance of 50 kilometers? Yes. As it moves, it uses liters. So when if the distance increases, the liters of fuel it uses also what? Increases. So that is direct variable. So we say our L1, that is the length 1, is 80. The length 2 is what we are the liter 1 is 80 liters, and the liter 2 is what we are looking for. The distance 1 is 1 kilometer, 20 kilometers, while distance 2 is 50 kilometers. We simply say, use the formula L1 over L2 equals to D1 over D2, which is 8 over X over S, which is the unknown, equals to 120 over 50. And by the time we cross multiply, we have our L2 to be 33.3 liters. Please take note that when L1 is up, D1 will be up. When L2 is down, D2 will be down. The variables must align. But we can easily say, if 80 liters of fuel is used for 150 kilometers, then X kilometers will be used for 50 kilometers. So from there, we just cross multiply. So we have 50 times 80 equals to 120 times X. From there, we divide both sides by the coefficient of X, and that will give us 50 times 80 divided by 120, which is equal to X. And then our X will be 3.3 liters. This is quite simple. So, thanks for watching. If you have any problem you want us to assist you on, you can please send a message to the WhatsApp number on your screen, or you simply mail us on akibamisik@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.